Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for off. We convert it into multiplication, square roots, cube roots and exponent. And then we solve division. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, brackets. First we solve the operations inside the parentheses. Now first will minus 30 plus 11 is equal to minus 19. Now according to this step, according to the BODMAS sequence, internal groups must be simplified first to define the numbers for the outside operations. Now the result become, now 8 multiplied by 9 plus 19 and then divided by minus 19 plus 14 of 1. Now the second step, we solve off. The next evaluate the off operator which functions as a specialized multiplication. Now the step 2 off. Now the steps is 14 of 1 is equal to 14 multiplied by 1 is equal to 14. Now according to this step 2, the off part take precedence over the standard division and the multiplication. Now the expression becomes 8 multiplied by 9 plus 19 and divided by minus 19 and then plus 14. Now the step 3, division. Next we perform the divide. 19 divided by minus 19 is equal to minus 1. Now according to this step 3, the division and multiplication are handled from left to right, but division appears here is a sequence after simplifying off. So the expression becomes 8 multiplied by 9 plus minus 1 plus 14. Now the next step 4, multiplication. Carry out the multiplication. 8 multiplied by 9 equals to 72. Now according to this step we multiply before moving to the addition or a subtraction. Now the result becomes 72 minus 1 plus 14. Now the final step, finally perform the remaining operations from left to right. Now first 71 plus 14 is equal to 85 and our final answer. Now according to this step, 72 minus 1 we get 71. Then adding the 14, complete the sequence. Now the final answer is 85 says. By strictly adhering to the BODMAS priority levels, we ensure that the group terms and the off operator were resolved before the basic arithmetic, leading to the correct result. And the final result is 85. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.